everyone, Pam Schmidt from Pouring Artists International. Just want to show you real quick a little video of me peeling some labels off of some beer bottles that I got in order to make some sea glass. I got these from my local eatery. I needed some various colors of glass, and I got a nice surprise when I started peeling off the labels that on the back side of these particular labels, they are a non-porous metallic surface, which was a great surprise for me to be able to do some alcohol ink artwork on. I want to show you here how easy it is to peel off. It comes off in one piece, and there's the other side of it. Now I lay these out to dry, and you're going to see here at this particular piece that it's still sticky. When it dries, the adhesive is not completely gone, and you really can't get rid of the adhesive. But I found alcohol inks take care of that. This label ended up being paper, so we'll throw that one back. And we have this green label, O'Doul's. Peels off very fast, very easily. And that goes for the labels that are on the neck as well. So we have a little small piece of metallic label. Stay tuned for the end result.